Okay, this view we're going to have a little bit harder time seeing the entire thing, but I wanted you to see the center from the top. And then what I'll do is I'll pull it this way and we'll look at each one of the panels. So I have these little envelopes in my stash, and I knew I wanted to use them because of the glitter. They each have like just a little pull-out tag inside. And there is a magnet here and then a magnet here, so that holds our panel shut. So that opens like that. We've got that pretty little spot there. You could journal or you could cover it with a photo. This I really like because you could put a photo up here, you know, a cropped photo, and then you still have your scene at the bottom. And this opens like that. And again, you have a cute little scene, and this opens like that. So here in the back, we have a pull-out graphic 45 tag, and then a place to write something on the back. And we have these little pull-outs, and I have this die cut piece that you tuck behind there, and then there's another pocket for the tag back there. And certainly there is room in these to tuck more. So a lot of room there. We have a little fussy cut house and our beautiful bee images. And then as we fold it closed, these are all pockets. And this is, you know, you could use a white gel pen to write on the back of this, or you could put another photo. But these are envelopes that I've had in my stash for a while, and why doesn't that want to go in? Because I'm on camera, that's why. But if you guys have been watching for long, you know that I am quite OCD and must put it back. Okay, so on this side, we have another pull out. So I'm going to not pull that one all the way out. And that folds up like that. So each of our opposite panels are very similar. The same style, maybe different papers. But let's go ahead and, you know what? Let's go ahead and look at this one, which is the same style as the other one. And that opens up. You got the little tag in the envelope. That opens that way. We've got the little bee. I just love this paper. So nice place for journaling here, or you know, a photo. And then we open this way, and we have a graphic 45 tag. We open this way, and another tag. Then back here, same as the other side, we have this little floral die cut and this tag. And just to show you, you can, oh, I didn't do that. Oh, I'm sorry guys, this is going to have to be a journaling tag and then the photo on the other side, but that works just as well. And we've got 3 little tags here that tuck behind the flowers. And that, let's see, close this first, and then that. All right. Then here, right on the front, we have a place to write something. We have a couple of little pull-out tags, and then we have a little scene in the background. These are fussy cut from the collection. So this opens like that, and we have just this gorgeous paper, so adorable. So a nice either place for a photo or lots of journaling space here. And then we have another little envelope that pulls out like that, and then a journaling spot. Actually, that looks better like that. And that tucks back in like that. And we've got a pull-out tag in the back, and there's room for more. You could tuck more stuff in there. And then we have this accordion fold pocket. It pulls out. If you watch a lot of my videos, you know I like to do those. So each one has a pull-out mat with a die-cut border. So there are room for 6 photos here, or you could do more if you were doing cropped photos. And this panel is similar. So we've got pull-out tags in the front pocket. And then it opens like this and like that. And we've got our cute little envelope with a little journaling tag. My favorite place to be. And then we've got a couple of tags here in the front. Oh, and the same paper in the smaller pattern, but I think it looks really nice. And then we have our accordion fold pocket with our 3 die-cut pull-out tags. Or photo mats, I'm sorry. And just so you know, I actually have a tuck spot back here, so if there are more things you need to tuck in, you got that spot as well. All right, let's take a look just from the top. Let me go ahead and show you how easy it is to close up. Definitely a two-handed job. But that's the way the top of the box looks from the top view. So it's very full, and you know, you don't really see anything but the actual cluster. There is this little blue doily tucking, you know, barely tucking out, and I did that because of all the little pops of blue that are in this collection. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will go over to ASC Supplies and get you some of this gorgeous paper. It is so adorable. So many things you can do with it. This is just one example. Certainly mini albums, cards, tags, all kinds of things. So super fun to work with. And again, I will link everything in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye.